teacher, teacher, American pronunciation, teacher, British pronunciation. We are following American accent today. He is a teacher, past tense he was a teacher, he will be a teacher, he has been a teacher, he should be a teacher. He is a teacher, তিনি শিক্ষক, he was a teacher, তিনি শিক্ষক ছিলেন, he will be a teacher, তিনি শিক্ষক হবেন, he has been a teacher, তিনি শিক্ষক হয়েছেন, he should be a teacher, তার শিক্ষক হওয়া উচিত। Now verbs. Teaches, taught, past form, taught, past participle, teaching, present participle. He teaches English. সে ইংরেজি পড়ায়। He taught English. সে ইংরেজি পড়িয়েছিল বা শিখিয়েছিল। He has taught English. তিনি ইংরেজি শিখিয়েছেন। Present perfect. And he is teaching English. তিনি ইংরেজি শেখাচ্ছেন। Present continuous. We can take it to a number of sentences. He is teaching English. He was teaching English. He will be teaching English. He has been teaching English. He had been teaching English. He will have been teaching English. This is how we can change the sentences. And now, he has taught English. He has already taught English. He has just taught English. Like this we can change. Now, these are active sentences. We are now showing a passive sentence. Subject, then be verb, then past participle of a verb. He is taught English. Earlier we said he teaches English. He himself is teaching English. Now, he is taught English. তাকে ইংরেজি শেখানো হয়। He was taught English. তাকে ইংরেজি শেখানো হয়েছিল। He will be taught English. তাকে ইংরেজি শেখানো হবে। He has been taught English. তাকে ইংরেজি শেখানো হয়েছে। So this is all about today's session. Thank you.